We start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, we discussed about this correction and we mentioned we can expect the price even drop to 335. As we can see, even the price broke 335. Then we're looking at, because we have been looking for this correction, we mentioned if we get any reversal for, if you for buy, we will take it. Now, I want to see what's the next, whether we can look for buy or not, and how deep this one can go. How about if the price retest 250? We need to know about this possibility because at that times we can expect this one turn to be in the bigger picture. We price be within this correction for longer time before we get the reversal. Because simply we can put our line here based on daily chart, and even we can put our line here. All right, approximately how deep it can go. Even the price can drop somewhere around 290. Then from there, we want to see whether there is a continuation or not. Anyway, we need to know in the bigger picture, we need to know that even the price can retest 250, but it doesn't matter. Any trade setup for buy from now, we will take it because if we move to lower time frame, all right, if we look, refer to the indicators, we see losing the momentum and as well here. That's why if the price retest to 320, if there is no breakout, any trade for buy, we will take it at least similar to what we have here. Okay, can we expect this one to start to drop as a corrective? Yes. But in the long term, any reversal, we will take it. And you want to see how about based on forward chart, can we put our line here? All right. But we should know that when we're using this kind of the lines, we are not using the lines to look for trade. At least we know because we're looking for the pattern. At least we know, we're using the lines to see whether we can look for the breakout or not. All right. Anyway, this is what we get here. And for me, from now, if I get any reversal, I will take it. Now the thing is whether the price can be the breakout of the previous low, how deep it can go, whether the price can break this line or not. Approximately, maybe we can expect with the breakout of the previous low, which is somewhere around 320 or 319. We can expect price drop to somewhere around 315. But it doesn't matter. Any trade, any for buy, this is what we're looking for. And even if you want to put this correction relative to this, which is not a really good idea, but still we can consider because in terms of the length and time, they're not matched, but still we can consider as a running flat, right? And if I remove everything, how we are going to look at this, can we consider this one as a flat in relative to as 1, 2, 3? Then we get one move up. Yes. Then this one turn to a more complex correction. We get one more drop in relative to this. Or this is the one is going to retest the previous low. How are we going to look at the chart? Or we can consider this one as an internal, as a 1, 2, 3. It doesn't matter. The only thing is any trade set up for buy from now, we will take it. And we can look for this one as a falling wedge. All right. But again, we are not using the lines to look for trade. We are not using the lines for the breakout. Overall, we want to see how we can look at the chart. And one thing's from now, any reversal, any trade set up for buy, we will take it. And if it's not moving in our direction, we are not going to keep the trade for more than 2 hours. If it's not moving in our direction. And as well, we can see based on 1 hour chart, we see that it's losing the momentum and the divergence here. The only thing is whether the price can retest the previous low, which is somewhere around 320. All right. If the price tag, we see there is no continuation, we cannot see the breakout, then any reversal and a sharp move flag, we will take it. Whether we are looking for sell or not, for me, I'm not really interested to look for sell. I will wait for the price to drop, then any reversal as a sharp move flag, I will take the trade. How about if the price reverse from here? To look for buy within this range, I'm not really interested because if we want to put our stop loss somewhere around 320 or 319 with the breakout of this stop, I don't think it's really a good idea. That's why we wait and we prefer the price at least drop to previous low. Then we confirm with the divergence, then any reversal from there, we will take the trade. And as I mentioned, we can expect the price be within this down move as even as a channel before we get the next move. The only thing is if we get any opportunity for buy as a short move flag, we will take it. And if it's not moving in our direction, either move or stop loss to break even, or we take with the trade. Anyway, from now, I'm looking for buy, but any trade setup for buy, if we want to look for a buy, we should know where is our stop loss and what's the target we're looking for. Because if I move to daily chart again, in the bigger picture, we can expect this one even retest the previous low. And this one turn to bigger flat before we get the reversal. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Again, any trade for buy, we will take it, but we are not going to keep the trade for long term if it's not moving in our direction, because still we don't see the reversal point based on higher time frame. Thanks.